Okay, so finally, part E, it says, hence or otherwise determine the expected ratio of the number of patients Dr. Black would have compared to Dr. Green in the long term. Okay, so we've been building up to this part of the question, getting these transition matrices and then long-term transition matrix, which we found to be this. Now we know, guys, to find, but remember we found the ratio of Dr. Black to Dr. Green in 2 years, where we just multiplied the vector 2100, 3500 by t squared. But if we want to find what it is in t in 100 years, we'd multiply by t to the power of 100. Or if we want to find it is what it would be in infinity years, or the long-term transition matrix, or sorry, in the long term, we'll use the long-term transition matrix, which is this. So we're going to just multiply this by this by this is our t to the infinity, this by 2100, 3500, because this was the initial number of patients. But guys, if you understand matrices, you will understand that the ratio, we're trying to find a ratio, the ratio we're going to get is just going to be 10 to 7. Because what he's going to do is he's going to get 10 17ths of this plus 10 17ths of this. And that'll go up here. And then he gets 7 17ths of this plus 7 17ths of this. And that'll go here. And we'll just end up with a ratio of 10 to 7. But let's do it anyway, just to show some working. So we will do, okay guys, I might actually use this matrix here, copy, and then paste here. That didn't work. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to do times another matrix, create matrix, one column, 2100 and 3500, and we will get 56,000 to, well, 56,000 over 17, 56,000 over 17, and 39,200 over 17, 39,200 over 17. So the ratio is 56,000 to 39,200. Let's simplify that, guys, by doing this. 56,000 over 39,200, which is exactly what I thought, 10 to 7. So the long-term expected ratio is 10 to 7. So if this was true, if those percentages remained constant for year on year, basically you'd end up with him having more patients. Dr. Black would have more patients than Dr. Green at a ratio of 10 to 7. Okay, that's question 4.